Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing a wireless mic, and this was by ZealSound, and it's their ZealSound S618 lavalier microphone. And right before we get to the unboxing, please make sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. Now that we unboxed it, let's set it up on my Samsung phone, which is similar to how you would do it on an iPhone. And to set it up, just press and hold the button on the microphone, and then you should go and look in your Bluetooth pairing list, and it should pop up. And with just a click of a button, it's already connected. Additionally, with the microphone, there is an app that you can get called the Smart Mic Plus app, which was talked about during the papers that I showed you in the unboxing. There's a QR code to download the app. With this app, you can do a bunch of cool video effects and features that you normally wouldn't get out of a phone app. And it's basically a professional recording app designed by suppliers, and it's all for free. Now, as I go through the app, you can see that on the sidebars, the levels can be picked up, which is really beneficial of the app. And now, for this microphone, I'm actually talking through this microphone, so everything that you were hearing here and before was all just from this wireless microphone. And I already tested this microphone, and it produces high resolution sound with a nice 48 kilohertz sampling rate. And it's a pretty nice sound quality despite being super light and super compact. This microphone is also omnidirectional, meaning that the mic picks up sound from all directions and distance. And talking about the distance, for the Bluetooth connection, you can go as far as 98 feet, meaning that even though the phone is connected to the Bluetooth white microphone, you can be 98 feet away from the phone, and still the microphone picks up sound and transfers it to the phone. This makes it ideal for videos such as lecture videos, long interviews, and other things that require you to be pretty distant from the camera. And if you're worried about the battery life, it has an astounding 6-hour battery life with just a full percent charge. And for isolation, which is one of the most useful features of a microphone, it has multi-level noise reduction, and it has professional MFI certified system, and it has an ECM high sensitivity microphone, and it's running on a Bluetooth Qualcomm chipset with Swiss intelligent algorithm. So basically, from all that, it's a bunch of technology put into this tiny compact microphone. And despite being in smallness, it has so much to offer with this hardware and feature. The app additionally brings cool features like I talked about before, and these features include aspect ratio, speech recognition, subtitles, and multi-channel real-time mixing. The hardware of the microphone itself allows for real-time streaming of what the phone picks up with the included single earbud. As I showed you, you can plug that earbud into the port, which is on the back of the phone, and it will pick up the sound in real time and let you know what you are saying. And also right beside it is the charging port, which is, as I showed you before, USB Type-C. Ultimately, the microphone is giving you a really crisp and high-tier sound, even though it's only $30. You can pick up the microphone in the link below. And besides the point, I would recommend this microphone for everyone. It's an ideal option for, as I mentioned before, interviews, lectures, and even maybe YouTube voiceovers, which I'm doing right now. But at the end of the day, these are my opinions, and you guys have heard what it sounds like. So are you guys going to pick up this wireless microphone? And if you are, press the link below. And also, while you're down there, make sure to subscribe. And without further ado, peace.